how you can run lead generation ads on Facebook. Parts. Let's see. The first part is to create your Facebook ad.
So to create your Facebook ad, we are going to do 5 steps. The first step is to log into your Facebook account. So to log in, let's go to facebook.com/ads manager. Now here, enter your login details. And click login. Once you've logged in, next you need to select the type of ad you want to run. So to select that, click create. Now here, choose the type of ad you want. As I want to run lead generation ads, I'm going to select this and click continue. Now here, enter the name for your ad. I'm going to enter that. Okay, once you have selected the type of ad, click next. Now here you need to choose your Facebook page. If you already have a Facebook page, you can just click here, select the page you want, and then start designing your ad. If you don't have a Facebook page, you can create it by clicking here. Okay, so to create a Facebook page, just click here. Now here you need to enter a name for your page. I'm going to enter CrossFit. Next, select the category that matches your business. So let's search for fitness. And you can see we have got the options related to fitness. Select the one you want. I'm going to select this one. And now we need to add a profile picture to our page. So just click here and select the photo you want to add. I'm going to select this one. Click open. And the profile picture has been added. Once you're done, click create page. Next, you need to accept the terms and conditions of Facebook. So just click here and click agree. Okay, so we have now successfully created our Facebook page. Once you have created your page, next, let's go to step 2, which is to set a budget for your ad. Now, in order to run ads, you need to pay some money to Facebook. And here you can set how much you want to spend on your ads. So to set it, click here. Now you can either choose a daily budget or a lifetime budget. I'm going to leave it as a daily budget. And here, enter your budget. I'm going to enter a daily budget of $5. So Facebook will take $5 every day for showing ads to people. Once you set up the budget, we can now go to step 3, which is to select the audience for our ad. Now by selecting the audience, you will be able to reach your target audience who will be interested in your ad. So to select the audience, first you need to select the location of your audience. So just click here and enter the location you want. As I want my ad to reach people in California, I'm going to search for California and select it. And here, select the age group of your audience you need to cover to show your ad. So just click here and select the age group you want. I'm going to select up to 50. Next, you need to select who will be viewing your ad. As my ad is related to fitness, I'm going to leave it at all. Now here you need to select the people who might be interested in your products. So just click here, click browse, and then select interest. As my ad is related to fitness, I'm going to select fitness and wellness. And here I'm going to select physical fitness. So now your ad will be shown to people who are interested in physical fitness. Now in the same way, you can select many options you want. Next, if you want, you can also reach out to people who are interested in other pages like yours. So to do that, let's go to Facebook. Now click here, search for fitness, and then click pages. Now enable verified here. And here you can see that we have got all the verified pages related to fitness. If you want to show your ad to people who are interested in this page, just copy the page name. Then go back to Ads Manager and paste it here. Now select that page and the page will be added. Now in the same way, you can add any page you want. Okay, so now we have successfully selected our audience. Once you've selected your audience, we can now go to step 4, which is to design your ad using ACCA method. The ACCA stands for Attractive, Connect, Convey, and Action. These are the 4 important rules you need to follow while designing. So let's see these steps one by one. Okay, now to design your ad, click Next. And here you can design your ad.
Now people usually scroll through Facebook quickly. So in order to make them stop and see our ad, first we need to attract people with our ad. We can do that by adding an image which can attract people easily.
And select what you're going to add. As I want to add an image, I'm going to select Add Image and click Upload. Now select the image you want to add. Then click Open. Click on the image and click Next. Now here you can see the preview of how your ad will look like. Once you have added an attractive image, people are most likely to stop and see your ad. So next, we need to connect with people who will be interested in our products. You can do that by explaining their needs in a positive way. So let's enter the text which you want to show here. I'm going to enter my own text. Next, you need to convey how your ad will be useful for them. So let's enter that in a headline and description. And finally, you need to provide a call to action for your ad. As I want my customers to sign up before getting my products, I'm going to leave it as sign up. Okay, so now we have successfully designed our ad. Once you have designed your ad,
If you give them any offers or freebie, people who are interested in your offer might like it and they will give their details to get the freebie.
first, let's create a sign up form to collect the data from our customers. To do that, click Create Form. Now here enter a name for your form. As I'm going to give a diet plan as a freebie, I'm going to enter diet plan. Now click Intro. Enter the heading you want and enter the description here. Once you're done, click Questions. And here, enter why your customers need to fill up the sign-up form. I'm going to enter that. Now here, choose what type of information you want to collect from your customers. As I want to collect the customer's name and email address, I'm going to leave it as it is. Now if you want to collect your customer's phone number, you can just click here. Go to Contact Fields. Now select phone number. And as you can see, the field has been added. In the same way, you can select any field you want to add. Okay, now as we are collecting the data from our customers, we need to provide a privacy policy to the customers which explains how the company will handle the customer's data. So just click here. Now if you already have a privacy policy, you can add the link here. As I don't have a privacy policy, I'm going to create one. So to get a privacy policy link, let's open a new tab. Enter Connect to your privacy policy. And then open this site. Now this is the site which is going to help us generate our privacy policy. Now here enter your company name and the location. I'm going to enter that and click generate. Now here you can see that we have got our privacy policy. Now to get the privacy policy link, you need to create a new page called privacy policy in your WordPress site. And then copy this content and paste it here. So let's copy this. And go to our WordPress dashboard. Then go to Pages and click Add New. Now here, enter the title as Privacy Policy. And then paste the content here. Once you've done that, click Publish twice. Now here you can see that we have got a link for our privacy policy page. So let's click here to copy it. Then go back to Ads Manager and paste it here. Then click here and enter the link text. I'm going to enter privacy policy. Okay, once you've added the privacy policy link, just click completion. Now enter the message you want to show after the customer signs in. I'm going to enter that. And here select the call to action button. As I want my customers to download a diet plan from my ad, I'm going to select this and enter download here. Now here you need to enter the link of your ebook. And this is the ebook I created for the diet plan. If you want to know how to create an ebook for free, you can watch this video. Okay, now to get the ebook link, first you need to upload the ebook to your Google Drive. To do that, let's open a new tab. Then go to Google Drive. Now drag and drop the ebook from your computer. And if we click here, you can see that the ebook has been uploaded. Now to get the ebook link, just click here and click share. Then click here to get the link. Now copy this link. Go back to Ads Manager. Then paste it here. Now if a customer wants to get this ebook, they need to enter the details and then they can download the ebook. Okay, so now we have successfully designed our ad. Once you're done designing your ad, we can now go to the final step, which is to publish this ad. So once you have made sure your ad is good, you can go ahead and publish your ad. So to publish our ad, let's click Publish. And click Publish again. Now choose a payment method and click Next. Here enter your card details. Then click Save. And your card details will be saved. Now Facebook will automatically take the daily budget you have set from your saved payment method. And our ad will be published once it is reviewed by Facebook. So let's close this. And if you see here, our ad is in review. So now Facebook reviews your ad, which usually takes less than an hour. And if you click refresh after some time, you can see the status as active like this. And once your ad is reviewed, it will be posted on Facebook. So now we have successfully published our ad on Facebook, which means our ad is now live on Facebook. So to see how it works, let's go here, click edit, then click new lead generation ad. Now click here and select this. Then click copy. Now open a new tab and paste it here. And press enter. Now if you click show ad, you can see that we have got our ad. So this is how your ad will be shown to other people. Now we have successfully created and published our ad on Facebook. Okay, now let's say if a customer is interested in your ad and click sign up. They will get the sign up form, and now if they enter the details and click next, it will take them here and click submit. Now to download the diet plan, they can just click download. And as you can see, the diet plan has been downloaded. Okay, this is how your customer can sign up to your ad and then download your diet plan. Now once your customer is signed in, their data will be collected. Next, let's see how you can view your customer's information. So to view that, let's go back to Ads Manager. Close this. Now scroll here. And click Facebook lead. Now to get your customer's data, click download. Now click CSV. And you can see that a file has been downloaded. Now to open the file, you need to upload this file on Google Drive. So let's go to Google Drive. Now drag and drop this file here. And now if you click here, you can see that we have now got our customers' data. Now you know how you can get leads using Facebook ads.